Alright guys, how you all doing? This track is entitled Cybernetic Fusion. Don't know how I covered that with that name, but it just come to my mind and I thought, let me call it Cybernetic Fusion. Maybe because of how it sounds. Let me know guys what you think. Made using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. Alright guys, that's what I've done so far in the track. Hope you like it. Yeah, that's all it is guys. You've got your synth. Obviously, let's actually, let me play the synth so you can hear the synth coming through it. So that's one synth. And then you've got your music loop going through it. So you got those two going back to back. I've got obviously the voice going through it. Tech voices. Hi-hats. Hi-hats in high pass. Back to normal. And clap. And you've got another voice. So we get the drums in there, guys. Get the drums coming in. In high pass and low pass filter. Just before the drop. Drop without the bass line. Drop with bass line. Guys, and there's an FX, sound effects loop in there as well. Just quickly play that so you can hear that. Give it a lift. Lift it. And I've also put a crash in there to hear it crash on the drop. Guys, if you like the track, hit me up. Cybernetic Fusion, made using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. Yeah, tap in for more from this channel. Drop me a like, guys, and a follow, subscribe if you're on socials, etc. Tap in for more from this channel.